What do you mind?
I think all the two with this so long no me can't get one baby. What cause that?
I don't know what I don't know if I know something them are kicking now. I don't know why
You
problem.
feel say my jeans no match or what?
I don't know if I compatible or whatever.
Or me a problem. You want it to we go doctor?
Maybe I do one test one idea them and see if
Because at times we have one pitney now man. Look how long me here there. Me feel away, you know. Cause sometimes when I pass one woman with some nice pretty pitney, me I say the youth there should have mind. God know me I have to go check up on myself see if I me a problem and carry you a doctor and make a check up too. We want to know what is the problem. Why?
I don't think I'm a problem though.
And I have a problem.
If you say me a fire.
Why, babes, me say me have one friend there. The girl body in bad like a yaz. The amount of time when breed, me not even would say pregnant, breed. And in dash away. The girl coming like a symmetry and look how long me a cool and a settle down with you. Just one man. And me can't get pregnant. Right now me that do anything to get a youth. And the girl a breed so much time and they dash away.
Worry yourself, man. Not a fear time still, man. You understand? So now you worry yourself and bust your brain too much. Well, when I go there now, I have to go check one of them Asian woman, them then tell her what to drink. Come maybe you can drink one natural bush or something and we open up anything now you feel make it pick them. When you think them swim up in it, everything just did and it just work perfectly, you know.
Alright. Anything we have to do. If you feel so that will work out, we can try. But me no want go, nobody come give me no anything for drinking. No, me rather go a doctor first and see what come after.
Browning, just say granny I walk you out and tell her if you come live with me, but you're not here. Wow, swim do one nice. So what I want?
Nobody come up on the veranda. Granny will cuss. I come to you.
Look how me and look here, up here, waste out your time, pan granny. You know, sister granny soon dead. Come let me help you. Come on, nigga, come live with me. Friday there with me, me will wash, cook, clean. Me tell you something. They always never find this in a Jamaican. A man that will do anything for a woman. You see me? You look how you're brown and pretty and slim. You turn up with your bow leg. I saw me like how you turn up.
Hope say not just talk you know. See you can get one work a nigga for me.
You ask me about work. Yeah, me can get your work. But me don't want your work. I will wash, cook and clean. Open an account. Baby, me tell you, me make your account fatter than mine right now.
Alright, so I'll pack up my things and come then.
We are talk about left them. Come on, me buy a new clothes. What we are deal with? You can go and listen and talk about go for old bro. Tell Grammy later. Tell Grammy later.
Yes, sis. In the yes right now. So I'm going to ask about him. Mine, you know. Yeah, man. So, mommy.
Hi, bonus sister-in-law. Hey, Sharian.
Hold on there. Hold on.
Let me talk to Sharian.
My son call you back. Now, make use enough. Me did I talk to you? She asked for you and you asked her what go on. Mine, you know, no play with me. I'm very serious.
No.
Other day you come in. Oh, how she a going? How she be? How she? You think that's how things work? You come in here and ask for her.
So me no ask her. As a sister-in-law?
No. That why you ask for her so often?
Just a sister-in-law? No else?
You not even ask for my mother so often. What about my sister so?
Because you talk to your sister more often.
No, hold on. Another tell you one, you know. Since as we do everything, we hold to start about everything. I realize you not even perform so much in my bedroom. I want to go on.
Just how you behave.
How me behave? Or me a quint it and you not... No. Something wrong. Something not right.
Everything changed about you from the other day. And then you blame it. But I am a Hakan. You can't put that blame on me.
I'm not even sure if you love me. I'm not even sure. Because my sister will run down so much. She get like regular. I'll know you not even put your hand on me. And so for that box me for show me say you love me. I'll know. I give up a cuss day, night, you won't even put your hand on me. I say you show your love, Yeah. love you want. Get angry and show your
You say
love.
come like he's a mad man.
Get angry. No come back. No come back. Come say no come back later. Right. Where you walk.
Me look how sweet, angel, you know, sir. You me a my son. You're my love of life. But anyway, I choke me still. You have to ease up there. Yeah. You know, I'm buy and build a big house. But you see what we are going right you now? I'm because we know one place, you know, but boy, me I tell you, it's a broke down place, baby.
Yo, why pre bad man? What you want? What you look for? Yeah, they look for cut. Why pre? What you last?
Me no just left me yard. Man in my place. How are you?
Man, a yard.
This come like it's a wrong place. This was a joke. Believe me, I dream, you know. Yo, but just walk down the road and come back here, sir. Done it. Yo, done it. Yo, yes, some youth them live, you know. I'm a baby mother live, you know.
Me run and say, you know, daddy. No jokes.
Some silly guys. But all them break is you leave a wrong place, me there, you know. Something alright, boy, sir. I'm not gonna tell you. Something funny, man. Hey, done it. Walk me up in now. Done it.
Yo, where you lick down my door?
Oh, you mean want me to lick down the door for?
Lick down my door for? Eh?
I want to go out in there, sir. I
How
dropped
are
in.
you?
Oh, you stay, sir. I'm man in my place.
So hold on, you didn't believe me when me tell this morning say your time done. You didn't believe me. So
That-
me
that
didn't
is-
tell you say your time up this morning. You don't understand.
So done it.
Babe, step good of me.
Babes.
Hold on, pan this. Hold on, pan this. It done pack for you. Hold on, pan
So,
this.
so what really I
Hey,
go on, sir?
brother, Take up this and move for yourself.
Done it, me know it.
Stop
So I go on,
interrupt way.
So I go on.
Stop interrupt way that mistake.
Done it.
Daddy.
Your time done.
Man,
I'm
a
gonna
yard.
regret it.
Come on.
You hear that?
I'm gonna regret this. Remember.
Burn it down. So where say I go on my general?
So you say I don't know, I want a loan for borrow my general.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, straight up. Right now I look at difficulty, so I look for 100,000, you see it? I don't know what you can do for the eye.
You know, say, I piece of money I just go collect a while ago. It's a 150 minutes to pick up. And I know, say, right now, I'm get a piece out, I said speed, so. You kind of stubborn, but I'm a general for a long time still, you know, you go.
So you don't know, say, you don't know me can give you back my percentage, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. In 2 weeks' time, I can run back a piece of food. And I go flip the money and do something, you see it?
So, like, if I give you 100,000 now, how much percentage I go up on it?
I can probably I'll put 130 on it, you know?
Know yourself, man. You can't lend you 100 out, I said speed. Check him out.
It's nothing, man. I don't have to check it. Don't know when I go in and check it, my general.
Where you are now? Woman that yard wait for me now. But if you call me, come drop off that. So now say, you know my number, man. If I don't just call me, you see
The
it?
link, yeah. Yeah, straight.
Boy, nails them look nice though, but okay, you know.
Yeah, they want a refill. They want a different color on it.
So you wash and then not to pop
Me
off.
used to that. You have to, woman used to them. You have to used to it if you can wash with them. But me kind of tired to wash with them now though.
You cut them off.
Me now cut them off. You know say, me going to one store today though. That's one nice whirlpool washing machine in there. You know the one that we have the dry up on the top and the machine, the wash up down the bottom?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, so the washing machine there are 2-in-1. Tall. Babes, I see little money where you promise me. Alright, me I go take and buy the washing machine because it turn up, it look good. It fit in a one nice bathroom.
It was kind of difficult because at this week I never get the money, you know, but here now, as me I come up with the money, I see my brethren, and my brethren in a one wicked situation. We part in my ball and I say, yo, John, no, you know how I'm going to survive it. It's a business man do, a business deal, and he run short of some funds. You understand? So I lend him the money, and he say by 2 weeks' time, we'll get back the money. Plus we'll get back some percentage money. So, now yourself, man, you get to buy a washing machine, and so you could change money so you can do different with it. Can do your nails there, can go spa, go pamp yourself and things. But we'll get it back differently. You go put the money on it
The
differently.
money where you promise me? And me a plan figure buy a washing machine with you and your friend?
Yeah.
So when him plan to give you back?
2 weeks time, man.
You're sure say 2 weeks time?
The money go double up.
Okay,
Yeah,
because
man.
some people 2 weeks are 2 years. But I love to see that because I want it. Look on if I dirty clothes them over there so when me want to figure wash and I really want a washing machine. Stay there, put your trust in the people. Babes, some people 2 weeks always turn out in a 2 year. You hear what me say?
No, say I can't go to my time still, but I think go on. I'm virgin still, you know. It's alright, though, for man. Let me see how you have a big smile on your face. How you? Oh.
Sometimes I feel nice.
Virgin, I come from country. What go on, General?
Boy, things are too to break on my side, big one thing.
Yeah, you know, I mean, my mom's there in the house, I will advise, man. So, we are dealing with what go on for your side to things don't go so good, how?
No, so it's a big favor, my heart,
Yeah.
I don't know how you're going to look on it, but boy, trust me, I need help.
Yeah. What do you know? You want some money?
No, you know, something greater than that right now, but I give you money, you know. I need a shelter over it, so I'd appreciate if you can put me up, because right now I'm not even have knowledge, so I'm like everybody I turn to just a turn me down, brother.
Along, you know, far away I come from in a general, so you know a chap. You can't, if I reach, but you put there, I don't know, Nigla me there, you know, so I live up a country, you know.
Yeah, man, I know, so I don't even say them money for that, man.
Yeah, man, I pay you, man. Where's some man?
I can't forward into it. Because right now, I tell you, up on the street, I beat it from with you. And then when anyone call you, because me, I say, yo, boy, I just heard you don't say, yo, at this age, as a big man, yo, man, I have to come rely upon you, you know? Yo, I really appreciate it, bro. Me, I forward now, me, I look up here and head out.
Alright, burn it down, burn it down.
Alright, pussy.
You hear the conversation a while ago? What do you think about that, babe?
What me think about what?
Virgin, someone come down and spend, give you now. You might come spend maybe 1 month or so, but if you find a place before that, it good still. But you know, saying that the same thing for me, so I can't live more on the roadside. So on the road, I sleep, you know. I sleep on the bus stop. Then I'm going to school together. I know the situation where you're in, because I show me 100 say, you ever in there one big man, I deal him rough. So you want to put him out and take him a young boy, you know?
Let me ask you a question. You realize that 1 room we live in,
Yeah, 1 room and 1
and not
bed.
2 room. And you really invite over 1 man, so you trust 1 man to come in at this room with your woman. What about when you're gone?
Because I trust
what you think?
I don't think you can do that though. I don't think you're brave enough to look here.
You trust your friend like that to left him in your 1 room with your woman.
Yeah, because if you be someone who can't trust yourself.
Anyway, me trust myself. You understand? But me don't know about your friend and you and what him up to. You understand me? So, anyway, you know, so me look into it still. You know, have no if you stay and wouldn't like you left him out on the road, because you know him long time. And if him and the woman in a problem, would I really like to put him up, but we are going to put him a camp on the bed between me and you.
No, man, you can't come on the bed. You must see, where we go sit here by the sun.
Oh, I could never on the bed. I must in the
couch. But I have a choice differently, you know. The money we have put aside, because I say we want to go on the island. Thing, you know, we have go to some different hotel and stay now. Because we never get to go do that, look, explore it and enjoy ourselves. So, guys, we have a money to put on. What if we take that money there and rent him one room and he will try to survive and then give back the money afterwards? Or we can put him by system and go find some work and find a place and go. So the choice is what we can come up with, you understand? Because we don't like left him out on the roadside. So are you make up a choice now?
Me not agree with that one there. The one money where we are saved so long, it not even reach where we want it to reach it. You really want to take it and give your friend to go look a room? So no big man. You better you call when you're bridging them on site and give him a work. You understand? And make him go and stay on the couch until he buy one bed, then he can afford to pay him one rent. You can't do that. We want the money for do one thing. We don't plan out that the thing there already. Now you want to mash up the plan.
You say the plan we are forward down still.
So babes, what about our privacy? When we want to have sex, how it go? Remember saying our one room, even though the couch in the pan? You know, say people can act like them and sleep and they not sleep and swipe and we do.
You can't postpone sex for a month. 1 month you can't put on sex for a month. Give your body a break. Give my body a rest for even one month. To cool off like for a month. You understand? Because if we go there so now, we don't want him a year feel nice here. Because feel nice is normal, you know. The last time you're there, you make so nice, then call police.
Babes, remember say you don't like the boring sex. So the more me make nice, the more you stand up. And me like when you ever stand up. And me can't take so long to have sex. Well, a 1 month, I wish woman you say I wait for 1 month. Right now, 1 month don't having sex is like 1 year to me. You can't do me that. When we are going to have sex, you know what we are going to do? Go out a door then and leave him here. I go look bad like our few place we are put him out a door just to have sex. So me, I go out a door with you and we deal with the case and then we come in back.
Okay, you know, so as I'm going to treat up, you're afraid of climbing, but we'll figure out a way. Yo, I want there for last, my last. Which road I say again? Yeah, man, up on the road me there. So where exactly? Me there right in front of so I see some about 4 car, old car park up and then me see one nice house in a look beige or pinkish looking colour. And bossy house with some whole heap of stone in there. And then across from it one house, one house a bill. Just look out down on the road. And then the garage is alright. Alright, cool. Yeah, man. Fireblaze.
Hi. Hello.
Good evening.
Evening.
I try to find Fireblaze.
Oh, he live right here.
Name is Boyd. Come check fire.
You. Yeah, man, I expect you.
Okay, thank you.
We already spoke about it. You can come inside.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah.
Yo. Why am I think the place is bigger though? God no. Yeah, man, it's small. You see it, so you know, say the invitation enough for too long. You go expire soon, you know? I mean, I have none enough, so I have to appreciate it. So what's really going on for your place now? Oh, brother, I want to like talk about it for tell you the truth. Yo, catch man in the house, brother. Man in the house. And when I talk about it though, man, I go on like say I'm not for talk. Big violation that everybody in the community look at me like stupid, you know what. I'm if I blame still, you know. Because my grandmother always tell me, say, man, we like things easy. Have a way for pay back. Nothing come too easy, not come too good, you know. Anything come too easy. Easy come, easy go. Yo, so the pinning them, I feel pinning them, are you not sure? Cause for a long time I come and say, yo, how the youth them look that way there? You girl black and you black. And the people them almost half white.
Why? Yo, me all question it right now. No? I start questioning it, man. And as soon as I get back on my feet, I do a DNA, you know.
It's my nice one side of me, boy. I can't get a jacket, you know. Because I know I don't pick me now, so I can't get a jacket.
Alright, you know, I'm tired and beat out, you know, brother. Yo, which part you say me a blacks? Which part my bed space there?
Right, the point is, man, you can't go on what they say to you, because you know the choppings go survival, you know, man. I don't know, hotel thing, you know. Because me and mom's bed this year, you know. So you know where you go. Nobody pan a bed there. It's a bed there like a ramping shop. So you know where you go.
Alright.
Boy, babes, you know, so me I listen to the conversation all along. What you say? Some my pitney them white?
No,
What you did say?
him black. The girl jet black. And the two put them half white. Them browner than you, I tell her.
That's a straight jacket. But let me tell you something. Tell your friends, say, I'll do in the right there, so me I talk to you. You better you tell him. I don't know if he might hear me. In a film bed. Listen to me. Tell your friends, say, be careful when I talk around woman about another woman. Because if me never was a good woman, me nobody make you stay in there. So you hear when I talk about the woman, say? Okay.
But the woman put him out then. So
But you know, me and you not sure what am I saying, no?
You say the girl woman catch him, see man in the house, babes. So if I come in here and see a man in here, where you think would I go on in here? Who know no house left, you know?
I cannot prove it.
No,
You cannot prove it.
I don't know what it
And when him say you are go off, you know?
Yes, so what can
You never see, you know?
No go there, sir. Don't go there, sir. As much as me you know in a place, don't disrespect me like that. And me telling you something. And if you don't know, you go do your research. Don't do that. Me a man and me have integrity.
You know, see, dirty boy start already and he just come. He come quick and he go leave quick.
Well, nobody the argument, you know, because you don't know. So, yo, that's why I can place man want to stay, man. Just calm down now.
Yo, your head big in a man. I want me pit not get this a big head, yeah.
Hey, mommy. So what you say? The money don't let me get ready? Oh God, come on, mom. You can't do so much money so quick. Yeah, me I do me here right, you know. As soon as me done, the first thing I'm gonna send you it or I'll come there.
Me not tell you say no fi answer no phone.
I'm on the phone
Me not
with
tell you
my
say no fi
mom.
answer no woman. If you're mad, you no fi answer. Me not tell you that.
I'll call you back,
Eh?
mommy. I'll call
Me
you
not tell you
back.
that.
Something in the background giving problem.
You know what? Not even a bother the head, yeah, man.
Don't worry your head. You have to come back.
You leave me in my face.
What you do at the doorway and see some
You don't see a baby come for bed.
What you mean you come for bed? You can't come bed in the bathroom when me I use
So
it.
if you know you use it.
Me already I use the bathroom and watch me.
But me need to watch you.
You know say I want like a womanizer. I mean they tell me man about you, you know. Why you think me afraid that you way you push door up and you go off and come out of my place? I want to you.
You say if you have you say if you have a friend no man.
Nothing. Boy, me will lick you down ask my man about me. I'm sorry for you and put you in there. I eat that boy at my house, I think a few months. Boy, come tell him which part you go. I'm going like you used to bathroom. You're going like you used to bathroom. You want to go beard, a long time you not beard. You should have glad to say you come at me yard. I want to you.
Hey, remember saying you have to come out before me come
Come
out.
out and wow. Come out and free place. I trick you. I'm sorry for you make you come in. Because if me did say no, you couldn't come in. Go and go your business. You're right now.
I'm fool.
Like your mama.
Not even should I argue with you. Me should even argue. Me should argue with you.
Me no want to see
What you know about me? What you know about me?
No wonder why other night me wake up and see you turn up over me. Wait till me man.
I'll be a liar, tell Pammy. I'll be a liar, tell Pammy.
Womanizer.
I'm going to take you to court. You told lie, you better can prove that.
One man listen me to me thing.
You better can prove that. That's one thing I tell you. Because I tell lie, but you're still false. Well, show me it. You better can show me because I'm going to get my lie upon you. You're lying. You're wicked. You're wicked.
Me have more than liar. But baby, you dirty self. No wonder why you in a house smell. Me can't wait till you come out from me. Why shut up your mouth and go brush your teeth?
Go on with your business.
You want to be in your look how you come in on people's face and they cuss them.
People are watching.
Watch out. You come in on people's face and they cuss them. Look at you. When I live nowhere. We put your back on and cuss you. Go on, baby. No time I waste with you.
I don't know when they right, man. Take you.
Which part of it?
That you want so like this before.
One way I go, cause you know nobody. You say woman left here, come down here and tell me man lie about say you go catch woman with man.
Wagwan, babes.
Wagwan. You know look like something Wagwan.
Mom, you see that way, look like you want to take charge.
Take charge.
I'm see your shakes and
I'm not ready yet to take charge.
No,
I'm not ready to take
charge. You're going to tree?
Up in the tree. I don't want to go up in a no tree. And the little dirty boy that we have in the house, I need to get him out.
What you him have? What you him have?
You know, so me in the bathroom, they use it. And when me look at the door, so the boy that a peep around for me. And then I come using head for me and tell me, say, baby, you want to go bed? Can you imagine me in the bathroom and he knows me in there? If he want to go bed, he knows me in there. If he turn up out there and wait or he move and wait until me come out. When you did this, see me? Like a peeping Tom, your friend a womanizer.
More talk to him and I find out what really take place. Come on, things ain't going to do that, man. A good youth, you know.
What a friend like you. You trust your friend till you don't believe me, so you believe him over me. Okay, go on.
Donovan. Burn it down. What me you say go on here?
Boy, yo, you know some I have something for tell you though. Yo, big man thing. I'm like a worst thing you do for me when you put me up. Yo, I appreciate it, but you see a woman, brother, I be a thing she go on with, I be a things, brother. I be a lie the woman I tell upon me, yo, I never find myself in a situation like this, brother. I never dream so this could happen to me. I never imagine so something like this can happen to me. Yo, I don't know how you deal with that still, brother. I don't really want to discriminate against a woman. But the reality is, the woman I say a bag of things when I show. I hate people tell lie upon me.
But just a come in for you for the work and it's just, you know, tearing mad out the road there. I tell me, say, boy, she in the bathroom, a wee. And yeah, peep through the whole pan her, you know, so I may have to confront you and say, you really do a thing like that, because I know some expect that you know. So
you can't expect a big man like me. Man, no boy, I'm no waste man, brother. I know you're supposed to know this by now, brother.
Yeah, man. Come on, first time we used to go to them school, when we go to my P, we look. So, what's the nice same thing you put? Hey, me nah look. Yeah, big man and no man still. Yeah. Yes. I don't like the whole argument between the two, you know. So, I want to just understand, say, a unity, you know. So, we must can get along, man. So, I know say two on no plan, peace the line. You understand? So, I'm a virgin, you know. I am a woman, so I want place all out there, you know. So, come inside, man, and stop the joking thing. And I say, General, I want you, we have to unite and find a common ground. I say a word though, you know, where's the case stuff? Hold it down. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your soup.
Thanks.
No problem.
Action.
Babes, I put a little pepper in it.
But yes, man. Nice, man. All right.
Yeah, get a nice flavor. Alright.
I can't this. You know me not drink pepper, no? Me not name pepper, me mean. Like a spite me. It's alright, man.
Babes, you see what me a talk about? Me tell you the dirty boy lie. You know long me want him come out here. You see what me just talk to you about? So me put one little bit of pepper in it. He ready to tell lie for me, oh me put too much pepper in a for him.
But it wasn't all against one of them. Yo, I'm not involved in a phone business now. Right now, to say, it can't go on. You know, too pepper.
Hello.
What go on?
You there, you know?
Girl, me dey under stress. No, me man go take up one boy in the house. The boy full of attitude, in lie and I want humanizer. Me can't stay in here with him. It's either him come out or me come out. But the two of we cannot stay in here.
Here what you do? Put one panty in him bag. When your man come and start one argument and tell him to search the bag, cause seeing is believing. And then I run out the dirty boy.
It me I go do right now. Boy too bright, he have to come out of my place, out of order. Sorry if my dog then turn around bite you. Now have no respect. Dear man blast after all. Out of order now. Alright, later come I go do it now before my man come home. Watch me and him. Damn bright. A be hot dress me have. And me know say man love woman in a hot sexy panty. Blouse and skirt. And the one that my man love, you know, my favorite one this, so me not put in a bag, you know, get it. I throw one other one with teeth. Kind of look like film woman not have no drawers. So him come fi come teeth me drawers them. Watch me and him. Only if I fi do it though. I gotta mess him up. See how he make my man not believe me. Watch me and him. Can't find my panty.
What you look for?
One of my panty, one of my favorite panty me can't find. One of the one them where you love to, you know.
You might lend on your friend them.
Lend my friend. Me and my friend them wear the same panty. You hear say woman and woman wear the same panty? You mad? Oh, me figure wear my friend panty and my friend wear my panty. No nastiness that. Me no you know them the kind of talking there. Put on clothes when you talking them, man. Me no like it. You know say that dirty boy them mind tell me say teeth me dress to go give girl.
Man, no, man, I do look work and
Presenting one go take me drawers and make me give up. Yo, go searching bag.
Search over bag. With all on the heights of disrespect. Me look like thief, Tona.
Yes, make the dirty boy searching bag. Me not trust him. A long time me not trust him. You a thief for a long time. From you come me suspect you.
I better you lock off, you know, you come talk about search bag.
It look like you come for run things in this place, yeah. But
I don't know who am I fear in my bag phone. Who am I fear? When I fear in my bag.
Listen, General. We can't make the argument in a place, you know. I see man I take out, see man a searching bag, you know. Where I say now?
Or what is I doing in my bag? This a style, yo, a style will come like that. Yo, you know what? Hello, no please, cause
boy a dress thief for a long time.
come in and know what kind of stylist and I try style people. A style and I try style me.
Left you. Your thief,
What me not do that?
Humanizer me did tell you about him.
What me not do that?
Your thief, your woman jazz and go give next woman so you come for thief.
Fire, you go believe her now.
You're not gonna got no woman because you're not top thief. Draws from one woman to the other. Woman is a draws thief. Come out of my place and go along where you go.
I set you try to set me up now.
Set me
Why not set me up now? It's alright.
Come here to
It's alright. I done it done.
Draws thief. Come out of the house and go along where you All dirty dry thief from me no know where he
Vibes that
come from.
disrespect.
Because
Can you
dirty thief.
imagine?
Thief
I
him
come set
boy.
me up and
Girl,
talk about
yo,
being
me
thief
can't
panty.
see eyes
You
now
would have
here
want
right
thief
now,
a
man.
panty, but she unambitious. Me don't know who that. I say, yo, you're not sorry when you have to deal with certain people. No?
One in a yard.
Mama, stop nice on the road. See when someone like that and I come in like nice, you know. Go inside, man. Yo,
Tell your friend to stop.
be yourself, man. Yo, yeah, mama now get along. Two on no plan pizza line. I'm telling you for a long time. I don't know what. So, no. So I really go on, bad boy.
You really ask what go on? Your woman try set me up. That what really go on.
I understand me, general, man.
Yo, really and truly. Big man like me. And I accuse the thief jaws. What me I do that? What me that really I do that panty? Me that come at your place come thief a panty and put in a my bag at that. Come on, fireman, think better than that, man. Me think your brain is bigger than this, man. You don't man have your wrap around your head, brother. I know some me and you grow, my youth. I know some me and you grow. Brother, yo, if you cut me right now, you don't see no blood. I just some me feel, brother. I feel disrespected, my youth. One panty yourself for all $50 and less, brother.
But you have to understand in a earth, you know. All is innocent and still proven guilty. Now that is my woman where I go to bed with at night. Right? So I don't think it work out in a one sense when the two of you can't get along. So anyway still, may I talk for a long time. No woman have I soft, you know. But two of the spirit don't match. I'm not no problem with that, you know. So more do more give you a thing. You book a room down so. Yeah man.
So give thanks to me now.
Yeah man,
Yeah, I want link you still.
just PH man.
Yeah, I want link you.
You have to go call my friend, you know. Cause the dirty boy come out. You think I wouldn't catch him? Can't wait for she answer the phone. This is serious. Watch ya. Girl, me glad you answer the phone. You know say the same thing what you tell me to do. Take one of my drawers and put in a boy bag. Me do it, you know. Me do it. Me get rid of that dirty boy. Me tell lie upon him. I put my drawers in a bag into wicked and lie about him and watch me in a bathroom. That's why me mess him up. Yes.
Then me don't know say it don't work, man.
Me no want my man know say that me do still, you know. Cause me know say him a go vex about it.
Then even in my yard and me run things and me I'll tell my boyfriend to do everything, you know.
You want see a little boy pack up in dirty bag and gone. He vex, he cuss me. He cuss me, but me cuss him back like dog. Cuss him. You want to see how me pepper the soup, give the little dirty drunker. You want to see my cough? The cough like a idiot. I laugh after 5 man go on like me no pepper it. Me pepper it. Too bright, out of order. Yes, girl, that me do to it because dirty drunker. Babes, me will call you back, girl. Me will call you back. Babes. How long you did this so?
Me hear everything where you say, where you talk to your friend and tell a friend say. Come there like a from 2020. I know me feel like we're in a 2021. So everything where you say, me hear. And it make me wonder, how much lie have you told lie from that time till this time? So I don't see myself being with a wicked woman because everything what you do is a heart of wickedness because you do it with a joy. You understand? So call your friend and ask her if there any vacancy up her yard.
I can't count the amount of lie them when me tell you about me and ask her to forgive me, please.
Call your friend back and tell her if you want a place to stay.
I don't want to stay with my friend and you want to stay with.
You can't stay with I.
Please,
Later.
please. I don't want to stay with my friend.
Mommy, sorry about that, you know. No, listen. I'm a neighbor and a woman. Yeah, you have to understand, but listen, no, mommy. Listen, man. I don't whisper, me I whisper to your mommy. Me I talk to you loud and clear. Maybe your ears cock up. But otherwise than that, I'm saying everything is good. I am going to give you the money. No, me nah have no problem. My yard, I know, mommy. Everything good. Me I live good. Me and my woman happy. Yeah, man. You will get grandpitney more than one. Oh, yeah, come, so. Come on, mommy, man. You have to behave yourself.
Me not tell you enough to chat to nobody on phone.
So what your problem? Me can't talk to my mother.
Hello, me not tell you if stop from call a son phone. Every minute you call in phone.
You know, say me tired of this now. Man, a big man now. I'm a finance. You give me this.
But wait till I get right.
Where the blood? Every time. John no star.
Oh, cuz, glad you come. Glad you come here, cuz.
What happened now? What happened now?
Yeah, me
You know
tired.
what? Hold on, man.
Hold on, cuz. Hold on.
Hold on.
Hold on, cuz. Hold on.
Hold on, mama. Jesus, please. Hold on, man.
You see-
What happened? What happened, man?
Me can't take it no more.
Jesus, please. What happened? What happened?
It's you see, me can't hardly speak.
Come on. Go on. Go fast, my boy. Calm
Come
down,
here,
mama.
Maria. You don't know if you rake yard, you don't know if you do here, you don't know if you wash plate, everything.
Jesus, please.
And I'm here to do the finance.
So
And
make you know say I almost fling a stone all. What happened to you now?
we can't talk on my own phone. My mother call me.
You can't stay with them, I can't be. As a matter of fact, are you rent you can't stay, you know, have to go left. Because nearby them, I make noise and I mash up my business. You understand me? Miss, listen to me. You have somewhere where you can stay? You cannot mash up my business, you know.
Then me no must have place to go, me no woman.
Oh, alright, as a matter of fact, good. Listen me can't put up with the foolishness, no, man.
Cause
Hold on, man, listen to me, because you're not listening, no. See this stone on nearly fling a while ago, nearly off my head? The tenant, listen, no, man. You know, say you take this thing, you know, say you good left, go left, or something.
for what cause? I'm here to pay you.
Boy, I don't know. You know from when you not keep up the foolishness. You know from when you not keep up the foolishness. Is a chance me give you make you still there saying.
But if you understand, cause that's when me meet the Empress, she was an angel sent from heaven. But when I realize now it's the devil's child, I want her to go cause I'd rather stay here and she go. Listen, cause when I meet Pink, you know, she was an angel, but now she's the devil's child. I cannot manage. I want her to go back a country. No.
Oh boy, me don't know what kind of bomb. Listen me no business about in a relationship, you know. You realize say my place me I talk about and keeping it in order. Me no business about in a
Dirty
relationship.
boy. Me no have to go back a country, me and my Empress yard can go.
I hope the Empress they can maintain you. I hope.
Hello?
Where you there?
You know, say I sleep, man, I sleep.
Me there in the alien, come out, come meet me. Long story, man, come meet me.
Alright, just give me 5 minutes. I'll come. you say happen now? What go on?
Girl, I know say me and my man just done war.
War. Sure.
Me feel say I have woman girl.
You sure about that?
What you mean? See, all the landlord kick me out.
Kick you out.
Yeah? Come near lick him down with stone.
The landlord?
Eh?
Like seriously?
Girl, they want me go back a country, but me can't go back a country. I come down and stuff to make a life. So me there ask herself me could have stay here.
You know, say me have to go talk to my man about it though. Me go talk to him about it. So, as soon as he come from work, me hear when you have to say, but you can't go and stay, man. You can't go and chill out and stay. But me not think him will run you out. You understand?
Yeah.
Maybe try and convince him and make you stay. See him? So don't worry yourself. Babes, you're not tired?
I work, me not be tired.
You can go get a nice little shower, you know. Me can wash your ear for you. Let me help you carry some and something then.
I work one this evening.
Let me help you carry it. Say I'm glad for me come meet you.
I know the sick of your weekend.
Just go,
Oh,
man. Me
awesome.
just feel like to come meet you.
I understand.
Pinky, how long you sleep for? Babes, this is Pinky.
Yeah, man, me see I'm Pinky what there, man. I never shout on, but me know say she has to talk up on the phone.
Oh, I never know say I remember her. Sorry. Anyway, she have some problem down her yard. Right? And she not have nowhere to stay. And she asked me if she can stay up here. But I never want to just take her in, so I want to ask you first.
So you take her in?
No, me not take her in. Me ask you first because I have to get your consent, don't I?
But I'm here last though.
No, you're not here last. Me have to introduce her first to you and then me tell you the problem. And me ask her if you can make she stay. She said they might run her a country. And she don't want to go back now because you know nothing not going down there and something. So she asked if you or me can get a job for her.
If you don't get a work for yourself, you're there so long.
Then me not
Where work for she?
I don't have to work in the system. The man a trade man, I want to. Stuff from going somewhere. Sure.
I don't know. Anyway, still, welcome to the tabernacle. You can't turn off for a while. But just put yourself in a good position to find somewhere go, cause when me and mama work, I don't want to catch in a vibes in here. You understand?
No man, she not stay so.
Cause me know when your friend a ball out, me no want. Yeah, alright.
She not stay so. Me tell her say I'm going to make you stay, girl. I want to you. Me tell her say I'm going to make you stay. Me backside. How would they go on here so? Wait there. No man. How are you there so? How you catch funny bed?
How am I there?
What you mean where you there? You drunk? Oh, you catching a migla here so? Wait there man. Something and something. Hold on.
Come like see I sleepwalk.
Sleepwalk? Something wrong. Something and something. No man. Get up. You have to go get up. Come on for this. Me not in this. Friend, yeah, you were there and say friend, do to friend come off. This is serious. You have to go come on for bed. Come on for bed. No man, this is serious. Girl, over there so you have to go. Go over there so you not do it. Yo, me have to go talk about this. Me have to go talk about this. But wait, just a hold it down still. Are you both you asleep? Oi. Oi.
Yeah, them chatting me.
Fire.
I'm gonna work a man, you know.
What you mean you go work a morning? What happened? How come the three are with the on the same bed?
She on the pan's bed.
What you mean three are with the
There's
pan
that two over there, some man, we put about, we are with my family.
Man, you not going to use the head pan.
How much over there, so can
What you mean? You know see me just tell the girl if you get up out of bed. You see you fire? You notice from other day, me not trust you. Big up
Big
yourself, man. Wait till you wake up, man. You soon wait for 2 hours with the funny bed or a 3. Me notice from other day, you know, the 2 hours get close. Something in and something you hide something from me, but don't worry yourself, for you. Wait till you wake up morning. Wait, man. Everything good. Wait.
Yeah. Where you call me for?
Danette, me just call you to talk to you about the youth them.
So I'm to your money. And money you call me for say you have ready. Where money there?
Danette, you put me out, me not have it now. Me not have it now. Me just a check for the youth them.
What you mean by you not have no money and money more want hear about?
Jesus. Danette, just hear me, son, man. Me not argue with you. Me just all the youth them do. Me can't talk to them.
Anyways, calm down. I have something to tell her. Calm down first. By the way, 2 pitting them enough for you.
What?
Me just feel for telling now. Me just
You're crazy, man.
serious thing.
You're crazy.
So me can behave
I'll lick you
like
the
a
kid.
shock.
I'll lie you
Just
tell.
brown.
I'll lie you tell, man.
Relax. Don't bother with it on my phone. Don't bother with it. Sure.
You can't be so wicked. You can't be so wicked. I can't do this.
So you feel like, so every time when me tell them I got a Uncle Bob Lincoln and Uncle Bob Pitney them, that's if you know.
Sorry. Sorry, what's that word? Sorry. Shit. How could you do this to me?
Hey, Chappins.
Oh, what do you mean I check for you, you know?
So I go on.
No, I think I'm going to check up for because I say 2 weeks, I'm say 1 month past.
Which thing that there?
The money I'm lending over there, man.
I don't remember that, brother.
Biggs, me not cut, me not know 100,000 over there, man.
I remember that, brother.
So you say, no remember nothing?
No, brother. I know what you're talking.
Me I give you tonight to think about you and know, say by tomorrow I check you have my money lined up because I'm going to need my money to do what I have to do. Because you say you're in a problem, I'm lending the money, I know you're saying, remember? Careful, Biggs.
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking.
Oh, go on, baby.
That's I'm just there chill out though. So why you so early? Why you come home so soon?
You know what say? The work over there do, the bridge don't have money, so I'm going to put it down for you in 2 months or 3 months to make up some more money. You see? So you know that's when I work because I talk them, you know.
3 months? Boy, you know, so you look like me have to go look at work though. I think me I go look at work in the morning still. Because we can't sit down so. Something have to go on.
You see Pinky come and Pinky get work ready. So I know say you have strength, you can work, so if you can get a work, that's good. So you don't have to cry nothing though.
No, me not cook nothing right now, me hungry.
Anyway, I soon forward still, you know, because I have enough idea in my brain, you know. So I never feeling say, you understand? We go pick up a bag of cement and some colouring and come back. Because I have a vision to start this different. Because I'm a Jamaican, you know, I'm supposed to die and have things rather than find things to do. You know what I mean? So while you look at work, I'm not going to sit down in the yard and wait. But you know, so I'm a provider. You know, so. Not for yourself, man, not about everyone. But if you can get a work, that's good because it's good when 3 hands can clap. I go down. Down the hard way, go pick up tools and come back. You know, when I come back, I show you the profile of me and need it. You understand? Alright, soon forward.
Alright then. I want to go so. My backside. So babes, you want to lift up that?
Yeah, man, a simple maths, man. So anytime I told them lift up, you know. But you know, so me have to work for me. I can't really kill myself for me. Just get one and now. I go for something else. You know. I come here. Yes, babes. Yeah, man. You look my everything though like you want that one. Not sure. Don't worry yourself, man. You go see what I go on.
Of course, me must wonder.
But what I want you to know, pass. The white towel in there, big one. Pass it them. That's something I did it today. Yeah, man. Car. Something I forgot on that day.
You want that one here?
Yeah, man. Pass, this is also. Yeah, man. That's something I do, man. I want you to pay attention. I go on here.
I love that towel there, you know.
I know, see, I love it. I did love it too, but desperate time call for desperate major. It's just like when.
You want me to hold it, can you put it?
No, you want to come hold it?
Yeah.
I want to show you involved in that things. Come here, mommy. It's just like when the government say, not in the backside place. Then they say money make everything change. You want money, you have to do backside.
Babes, you know, say you do a good job though.
Yeah, man.
Boy, you're talented, you know.
Yeah, man, you have talent in them time, man.
And a good man and some girl want, you know, remember me tell you, you're well talented.
Yo,
How you deal with?
thing not too bright. Hungry or fuck. I know what you can do for me.
Boy. Not too go and see, but you said on 2 pot still. So where say I do?
Not too want pressure, you know, because you always a look out for me, but you eat piece of chicken.
A simple matter. You check how much you eat over there. And just grab 2 sides.
I like to try them all out. Kiss up, brother.
I tell you about when I'm virgin, I'm lending a piece of money. I know the man boss and forget I'm lending him a piece of money. Every time I tell me be a stone and grown man, I tell me not lend him no money and this and that, and I remember. And I reason I'm lending him money to you know. Boy, money I know and I be a style to you know. And the fat boy over the side. You see him? Yeah, man. One pot left, no boy, on a hard clever boy.
How much you say one of them pot here for?
Yeah, man, you know, so 5 grand a pair general.
You want me to do? I make a call to my wife and find out if she want one, you know? Because she talk about it. Hello, babes. Yeah. You know, so I meet up on one bridge out on the town and you have some of my pots them you like. They say 5 grand a pair. Alright then. I'll do so, here. Alright, baby. Love you. Yeah. Yeah, my general.
I go and candy. No boy, dear boy, no make dollar. Me and tell us the road turn up. When you're hungry, you know, man, don't worry yourself. Rough it up, man. A farmer, me them not take nothing neither, you know. You understand? So just go and hold it, man. You don't know it's survival, I think, but first you start work, you know. Yeah, man, if you make a thing, man, I can some food come here. What you want? Yeah, man, don't worry yourself, man. Me there go and juggle and see if anything can go on. You never can tell, you know, hustling go. Alright, man, love you too. Alright. Yeah, what go on, Pinky? Boy, they up on the juggling and the think about you know, cause me just make a little thing, man. Yeah, man, me just sell two I pack them, man. Where you say you want to eat?
I want fried chicken and rice and peas.
Eh. Alright, me stop around them and get you one food, man. You hungry right here now? Don't say a word, man. Soon go link you. I'll pack up them thing and come pay you. Right?
Hello, can I have a magnum, please? Thank you. So what's up? I like your hair. Looking nice.
I like your stuff.
Thank you. Yeah. Bay colors are doing it, you know?
Yeah.
Straight colors. Yeah, for real. So what's up? You good though?
They are going normal.
Place looks slow. But there you go. You look for work. You don't know nobody want to work.
He say no no say my boss want 1 week and a half. He might look somebody for a week and a half.
Okay. Yeah, man. So you can line up with me, man.
Yeah,
But if there's somebody interested, you know? And see what can be done.
Yeah, I'll show it to you.
Alright, do that to me now. I'm going to come back one next time and see what can go on and you tell me what's up, right?
Alright, man.
Alright.
Blazing.
What's up?
Alright?
Yeah, alright, good job.
Yeah, I'm gonna work my day. I'm seeing if I know what I reason though.
Yeah.
You go and see about one more game, you know?
I would vibe, man.
I really like it.
Don't know if you're similar.
Mm-hmm.
I'm related.
One black, one brown. Wow! I fun. Yes, man,
But
I
I
hit
think
one.
don't go on, you know?
So I think
The
so.
Rasta brain scary. Like them set things there. So, we're going to talk and go for it. You go to.
Yeah, because alright, thanks.
I'm going to come in and tell it out.
Alright.
Pick up yourselves, yeah?
Alright.
Alright.
Boy, me tired. I know me tired, then I kill me with work today.
So that's why I tell me, I quit the job out there and better I'm just some hustling, man. I try to see hustling better than working.
Yo, me hungry today, so till me just at work, so me hungry and me never eat nothing from man. You know cook?
No, you know. You know, say, I late in the evening make a piece of money. After you call me there. Late up long after that, about a couple hours after that, it look like it. So that somebody come by to the pack them for me set speed. You understand? So, I say, alright. Now come home, because I don't want to mash my money, because you just start that something there.
Yeah.
I don't want to go that money so much. And you know, so because of that, the same thing when you call me, I say, yo, I sight it up and I say, yo, you know, say, I buy something to eat and I can't eat it, because I say, I can't eat and I know, say, my woman dep on the work and can't eat. You understand? So, say, because that I carry with me. See it, yeah?
How you buy?
How I couldn't afford, because I don't go that money. I want a piece of Ebola tea now. Get some water drink and eat. Because I say, boy, I say, nah.
Cheese tip and bulla. Babes, me know say the money not turn up, but you don't have to buy this bulla and cheese chips.
Girl, see this here? A Jamaican national dish. What this is?
Jamaican national this a dry sitting here with choke me and not even buy one water much as one bag juice.
You're gonna get some water, come now? Get some water, come here.
You know me tell you that in life here, you know. You can't bother.
No work here working now.
And every time you buy bulla give me. How much time for the week now you buy bulla give me? You don't see nothing else in a supermarket or a shop wherever you get that. Bulla, every time you don't feed me pan bulla, you kill me with bulla.
Boy, me say now. Water that pipe. Me say we don't want waste. We waste money by water and water pipe. But me say different.
Pipe water?
But you know, you see.
You can't manage on pipe water right now.
This is because working for people as slavery. And I quit that job there. And I sell flowers pot and now I just start a business. So if you get the pot, then we see when we start selling some more peer, you know say everything go good. But in the meantime I know, like when you start work, because can I take a turn now, you know. When me I make real money, you know, so a different thing. Like 1 week now since we now work, me I buy a beer bulla and something. So you see when you start work now, most you go treat Rasta.
Me not buy no bulla give you.
No, I say nothing about it. I say most of what go on.
You can't feed me pan pure bulla every time.
But anyway, we go for it.
No wonder why some woman have to live somehow. Me can't bother.
When I let me and Pinky here.
What you mean? What you mean when you say that? Mind what you do, you know?
No, I say I have
Me not understand them kind of talking. No, you talk like I say I'm Pinky in a sin.
They say, I love chubby here, you know, we're backside and jealous of my local friends. But calm down yourself, man.
Calm down myself. You see you from other day, me I notice you. You. What you mean jealous? Then if me have me good man, me no must jealous over him.
Look at look fuck you want tonight. Wash off and come back, man. That's what you have to get tonight. Oh, wash off and come. Oh, go on. What going to work today?
My work is stressing.
Why? You guys want a massage, man.
Anything, you know.
I will be it still because I'm in the house still.
Alright.
I'm in the bathroom though, if I'm not here.
Alright.
You touch me a while ago, I feel it, man. Feel the way down in the so don't worry yourself. You know easy, you know? You know, it's tempting though.
Alright.
You good though?
Yeah, me alright. What going, Candy?
Yeah, deal with me good man. How you look so?
I'm tired, girl. Work is stressing. Nothing even go on.
So you don't make no tip?
No, sir. They even tip me no make.
Them pay good though? Okay, so yeah, that's how you think, set man. You have to work for your living, you know? So you dealing?
There, man. So how fire there?
You know what I'm saying? You ain't gonna bathroom how long. Right now, me I wait for him all no me can't come. I don't know what happened to him.
Alright, me go lie down.
And wait there, hold on there. Come here, Pinky. I make you ask about fire just a while.
No, man, so now chair we live.
Chair we live. Me know say chair we live, but me not like them kind of talking there, you know, you're asking for him all the while. And I first ask him about him, you know.
See, I'm like, oh, if me come here and see fire, me ask him, say, where you there? Candy, me know why you man. Me know you too long fi go look your man. You feel say me woulda there with a man?
Girl, anything possible.
Come on, girl, me know you too long.
Anything possible, enough girl tell them friend that. And you know what happened after?
You want me left, Candy? You want me pack up my things and go? After you put me by feel say, woulda there with a man. Looking at me, I Candy. You feel some woulda there with a man.
Girl, don't take this thing too personal. I just feel a little bit insecure. You know them things that happen more while, you understand? People disrespect people them kind of way. Me and your friend, me just ask you something. You don't really want to move out? Where you go? Me tell you say me I go help you. I help you. That no means that you me ask you one little question already if you pack up and go. Where you go? On road? Go and go lie down and relax, man. I want you. And you know, say them type of girl that fire like still, you know. Big up yourself, man. If I even hear them a kind of story, I laugh off a week. I know say I saw me stay, I love run joke. I'm not serious. Just go and go lie down.
Me backside, Candy. You know what, so me left something up a shop door.
Where you left up a shop?
Me leave to check off some goods. So, Candy, you don't want to come?
I'm starving. I don't want to come, man. You want to come back, man. You be cool outside here.
Alright.
Hello? Who's that? Who that?
Me left Candy around and say, you know, me tell him, say, Me live sitting up a shop.
So you think you're gonna have a shop?
Mm-hmm.
Are you doing that so?
Yeah.
Where you doing so?
Me come for massage.
You serious?
Mm-hmm.
Come in here now.
How the phone ring and him not answer? What could I cause that? This is serious. You not done bed yet? You know how long me wait for you?
Me soon come, man. Bro, you know what smell or not smell? Me have a bit of diarrhea. I don't know what me eat on the road today.
You have diarrhea.
Don't worry yourself, man. Soon come, man.
You know, say Pinky did come, but she said she left something up at the shop. She have to go check off something and do something before she come down. But I don't know what else she gonna do.
Mom come before she come back. Yeah, man. Me know say long, man. Me soon forward. Why? It's nice, though. Let me go in the for you, because if you go in the for me now and you say you're gonna pass up and then me come out, you're not gonna look so feasible with time. Okay? Just stay down 10 minutes, then you come in afterwards. Here, you're good though.
Yeah, me alright, alright.
I go and get a job at sleep here. No,
I'm not asleep, man.
why never so pretty around the sofa? You know, with chaplains. So you say we go there now.
I get ready now if you come. I don't inside there.
You have some plan for me.
Of course, long time.
Alright.
You like what you see? So I don't understand this. I can't sleep, man. I don't understand. I tell you, so I soon come and I go change my clothes and all. No. You know what? Look how long me I wake you. What happen?
Tell me more sleep, tell me, man.
So after we plan, okay, everything good, man. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. I hope you not ask me for nothing. No wonder why someone will get born. You see you? You think I saw it go go? It's alright. You feel so you're smarter than
I said Blinky. I don't.
Blinky? I junk. You chat about Blinky?
I didn't know.
You know what? You're going my baby. Now come side of you. You're good.
Come here about something.
Me not sleep up there. Sleep by yourself. Everything good, man. Me alright right there, so. Me good. Pinky. What?
Yeah, all good.
Dear man, you know, so I can't sleep though.
Oh, dear, no.
Girl, me get a dream, yeah. This is a worse than nightmare. Not telling a lie, I'm a good friend still, you know. You are my real friend.
So, how about dream now?
You know, so my dream, see Angie, one friend I did have. I'm not telling no lie, you know that the girl when they are so with me, you know, you take with my man a long time, you know. I rate you, you're my real friend.
Yo, I just one dream that yo.
Just one dream. That the dream they come like nightmare. Angie and my friend. They know that the girl there. Then the girl there they love take people man all the mother man in take. Me could never come in at this one room here. Girl you must know say me rate you.
Yo, Lord that. Some girl just devil. Would I never take your man.
Me know say you not do them thing there. You're my G. You're my best friend. You're my BFF girl. Remember me tell you that.
Best friends for life.
Best friends for life. You know you wouldn't do me that. Them girl I love take people man. Them girl they can't come on my yard. Cause I not trust them with my man.
You know
Them girl they know say we kill them with lick. Come over yard, you man.
So take your man off your mind, you the morning me come on.
Yeah. Joe, no worry yourself, man. Everything go govern, brother. Me I take care of that. You see me? Yeah. Yeah, you know, so I can give you 3 million, you know. Yeah, man, I have something I come in, so you don't know. Can give you some. Just, yes, sir. Just send money where for the money. Yeah, man, we can work out there. Straight up. Mm. Yeah, man, you don't need to argue about everything governed. Yeah. So just link me. Well, yeah, man, for the pier. Yeah, man, link me. Behind Burger King, this one. You know the pier there? Yeah, man, just link me up around this one. Yo.
The mad link, yo, we are dealing with you. Oh, yeah, where they now?
No, sir. All the place me there blacks, man. Like dig the streets, you know, cause
Alright, yo, hear me I say now, yo. I look at thing me see go on a while ago with part. A piece of money did with part, you can make an idea, you know. But you have to move right now.
chat to me.
We just over here one conversation with part. One man I send one a link to go pick up some money from Biggs. That he said you to me show you what they say owe me a piece of money. And I tell him say you know owe me no money and he not give him back money, right? But those are pass and hear one man and tell him to send some money come. So he said the man to send one youth come pick up the money. So now you want to play that role like a you are the virgin will come to pick up the money. You understand? The man where I talked up on the phone, like the man named Joe. You understand? So when you go there, just say a Joe send you. You understand? Because him don't know the man who will come pick up the money based upon the conversation over here. Right? Yeah man, but do you the right, just get up and move right now. More you you go down in the town, right? And go page. You go up on the pier one. You understand? You wear one blue. You have blue and white shirt.
Yes, blue and white.
Yeah. Put on one blue and white shirt. And go link one with them bigs. You go meet up on the pier. Right now, you know, man, you have to reach before the next youth could reach there, you know, because you don't know who will come pick up the money, you know. You understand or whatever. Just anything you just take your move.
Go on, kid. Awesome, boss. Joe sent me, you know, man. Alright. So I'm not supposed to have on a blue shirt. Oh, man, a blue this, man. Look good, man. Yo, I don't have time for wasting, man. Look here. Look for me good. How you work with the dark blue? That's alright, brother. I mean, man. You want to call him? You don't have to bother call him. Everything go on. You don't want to call him? No, that good. No bother waste your time. I know the on Joe thing, brother. Joe send me, man. I don't need for lying, man. I don't have time there, brother. Time for waste. So I collect a package and I hit my come for. Yeah, man. Okay. I'm not saying all this. Yeah, man. Respect me. Alright, pick up yourself.
251 on them.
And they look nice, you know. And they look nice.
They look so nice.
Alright, you don't have no money though, no broke.
No, you can check back. When you check back, we can buy.
Yeah.
Anyway, me forget.
I love the man.
Yeah, alright. Me forget one money in the night and still me have a look woman a yard. Two woman over yard, no love me business. I'm that one buy two of them one idea them.
Yeah. One of them, I cost fan. Yo, me give worry them the package bad man. The virgin we have on the blue shirt but he look like a black. Dark blue, give him the package.
You look so.
You're tired, girl.
You sure say you're tired? I don't like how you look, you know.
Tired, man.
You feel sick? I need to hide something from me.
I ain't nothing for you, girl. Just feel weak.
You feel like you want to go to the doctor?
Yeah.
You know, I said, my man, we carry a doctor though, because you know, you don't have any money already. But if you feel sick, you know, like pregnant or nothing, you have to tell me, you know. I need to hide something from me, you know.
Girl, I'm not hide nothing for you, girl. I'm just not feel good.
So, I find this outside. And the bin me I go empty. And when me look in at the bin, I have to take it out, you know, and put it in a garbage truck. Me see this just drop out of the bin while me I throw the rubbish in the truck. So, I want who there so. Me alone as woman. I want to go on and you don't tell me. Look on this. You know it? Look like something where you know.
Girl, I just don't want to put no pressure on you right now.
So, let me ask you a question. After me take you for my friend and trust you so much, you're really living at my place and pregnant and don't tell me.
Girl, I just don't want to put no pressure on you right now.
Oh, pressure? Oh, that would be pressure to me.
Just don't want to put no pressure on you,
Oh,
girl.
that would be pressure to me.
You don't take me in and see me go all the breed again.
So, the one day where you come, you get pregnant?
Girl, I junk around this so breed me.
You sure say him? Mind yourself, you know.
And my ex-man runs so breed me, girl.
Anyway, don't worry yourself about it. A simple thing. Just carry your youth. Me and fire with mind that. Don't worry yourself, man. You know, say you feel sick. Because when he come, I'll talk to him about it and he give me money and I carry that. You hear? Or me making carry too. No feel no way you can make him carry that too. You know, I can't trust my man.
He do well in the secret place of the Most High, shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. Good night.
Yeah.
Mom to you now. Can do to do we can do, you know.
Ah, that me I talk about.
What you talk about?
You know, so I'm pregnant.
You sure? Did you test?
You test me pregnant.
Babes, I read Bible though.
Yeah, you know, all the meditation.
I like the suspect, so. Me have something to tell you.
No, man.
Let me show you something. What me I going to tell you say? You can't even find me. What me I tell you say?
No, I know what you said.
You know? How? Tell me how you know? Just guess and tell me how.
Me know, man, I know what you said.
You know I'm pregnant? For real? Me pregnant.
You sure?
Yeah, me go to doctor today. You know, so me there in a town and me feel sick and I vomit and everything there. But I say true, me did want to make sure me go to doctor and see result here. I'm pregnant, man. Babes, you know feel good say me pregnant?
Yeah, man, me happy inside, man. Me just not answer a word.
But you don't look like you're happy.
Or you know if me happy or not?
You look sad.
No, man, I look
And when
sad,
me did
man.
come in, don't hug me up. Me no joke in a long time. You chat about how me can't breathe and sing. No, you know me can't tell us me.
Yes, so now you
breathe
get pregnant, so me do a whole meditation, so me tell you say, yeah. No long time when you breathe.
Long time you want me breathe. And me just come and tell you content about meditation. I know you still a meditate. You can't start meditating. I know you should have happy. Watch it.
No, I'm happy, man. I go on so.
Sure.
A bad boy. What go on, my general? You come here and say, yo, I must be last, come here for you from there. Everything go through. What? That's unhealthy, man.
Big up to everybody that has been subscribing to the channel. It has been an awesome journey for this year and the ending of last year. So big up on yourself. I want to say a special thanks to Damien, who has been supporting the channel. Sarah, thank you very much for your support towards what we are doing. And for the rest of persons that too many to mention, big up on yourself. Continue to support what we're doing because it is a growing process. So continue to big up on yourself.
Burn it down to the ground, is it? Thank you for watching. 11,000 subscribers. So I see things grow. More people are watch. we have more content. What if a content, what if a thing ready for release, and what if a thing right and ready for shoot said speed. So in Jamaica now, if you're living in Jamaica and you're a female from the age of 18 up, you can give us a shout out because we're always looking for new talent in terms of female actress. You know what I mean? Because we're trying to build the whole movie thing in Jamaica from this route, go straight up to the party star, blossom and bloom. So, thank you for watching. Big up Damien and the whole network and the whole world. You understand? Keep on watching. Enough respect. And you have enough people that come with some negative energy. No bother with it. You understand? Because this is not the place, right? And not the time for it neither. So big up yourself too. And just try be more positive in what you do. Burn it down to your ground.